pleasant and best known zest in history, and it is same with the nectar. The oil of cinnamon and the protein of it make hydrogen peroxide that is additionally in the nectar. So these two execute organisms and furthermore obstruct the parasites or microorganisms. Today's video will discuss boiled cinnamon and honey cure more health problems. Before you watch this video, please take a moment to subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tap the bell icon so you will be the first to know when we post new videos daily. What exactly does this power dew combo cure and how? Number 1. Heart issues. Make glue with these two things and eat it with bread or out and out continuously for breakfast. This unclogs supply routes and brings down awful cholesterol, so you are protected from heart salt. Number 2. Joint pain. In a warm water full glass, include 2 tablespoons nectar and 1 teaspoon cinnamon. Have it in the morning and during the evening as well. This antiseptic ceaseless joint pain. Number 3. Gallbladder infections. Fill a glass of warm water and include 2 tablespoons cinnamon and 1 teaspoon nectar and drink day by day. This slaughter gallbladder organisms. Number 4. Cholesterol. In some tea, include 2 tablespoons nectar and 3 spoons cinnamon and follow couple of hours and cholesterol will be bring down by 10%. Number 5. Chili. In the event that you regularly have colds, blend nectar 1 tablespoon and cinnamon 1/4 teaspoon. Take this for 3 days and cure the chili and furthermore nose clog. Number 6. Stomach ache. Stomach torments are count with this blend. Likewise, ulcer is anticipated. Number 7. Weight loss. Heat up the cinnamon and nectar and place them in a glass of water. Have this before breakfast each morning, no less than 30 minutes earlier. Number 8. Skin inflammation. Blend cinnamon and nectar and put it as glue on the face before bed. At the point, flush it in the morning. Number 9. Male pattern baldness. On the off chance that you have hair fall or spareness, blend olive oil 1 tablespoon, 1 tablespoon nectar and 1 teaspoon cinnamon. Put this on the scalp for 15 minutes and after that flush. How is this mix made? To make this blend, include nectar in a pot and make it bubble. Include the cinnamon and let this thicken like caramel nearly. Have 1 spoon with each dinner. Have you ever known the benefits of cinnamon? Let me know in our comment section below.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.